In here is probably one of the coolest Lightning McQueens we have gotten in 2025, and this is actually the third time I've tried to purchase one. I tried to purchase one off AliExpress and the order just got completely cancelled. The second time the seller just, said they had it and then they never even sent it out, so I just went off and actually decided to purchase one on eBay. I paid a little bit more than what I wanted to for this guy, but this guy looks really cool. You already know what this is by the thumbnail, so I guess without further ado, let's get straight into this McQueen right now. And this is going to be the first reaction of this McQueen, and here he is. Oh my god, he looks amazing. Oh, that is Mattel, please make something like this. This is just amazing, guys. Like, legit, it's amazing. I have no words for this guy. Like, generally, this is just one of the coolest McQueens. Now, this is a fake factory custom. Yes, it is a factory custom, believe it or not. Model car, made in China, as you could tell. But this McQueen is all metallic, and if we take a closer look at one of the McQueens that I got earlier this year, I believe this one, or in fact even this one here. Obviously this has got the Cars 3 sort of headlight because it has the 95 underneath the headlight, but it has the Cars 1 paint job, so a bit like this McQueen here. This is the pink factory custom Lightning McQueen that I got earlier, and obviously this one is different because I had to get replacement, so there is that. But this McQueen is just incredible, guys. Like, I have no words still. Like, I've got to zoom all the way in just to show you guys how cool this McQueen is. Metallic pink. Name me a car that's actually metallic pink. I'm trying to think. Either there is one or I'm just bluffing. I mean, is there any metallic World Grand Prix Disney Store races that are pink? I guess not, but guys, it's just amazing. We all know what Lightning McQueen looks like, but this metallic paint, like even the Lightyear rims, just look absolutely cool. Like, usually you get the basic rims with like a bit of pink in, but for them to change the rims altogether is just insane. Like, that looks really cool compared to the pink one. And I did actually bring out another Lightning McQueen here, which is the plastic Glow Racers version, because it sort of does have green, like, luminous sort of rims there, as you can see, or the out bit of the rims, the tyre, I guess you could say, is also green. But yeah, that just, guys, I'm just speechless. There's a Bessie factory custom, and also the day of recording this, there is also a Gold Cruising Lightning McQueen factory custom that's been revealed. The factory customizers recently have just been absolutely on it. Medicated bumper ointment in metallic pink. I just never thought we'd get a McQueen like this. Just, oh guys, I know this is going to be a quicker video than usual. I just really want to show you guys this McQueen. You can see the difference here, even though it is the Cars 1 paint job in the Cars 3 mould, which is what they seem to be doing recently. You can just see the differences here, from regular pink to metallic pink. And obviously the back. The back is more straightened up compared to this one. Let me bring this one back again. Is that all straightened up? Yeah, look, this one is straightened up. The colour is slightly different as well. But then again, the metallic pink one just stands out by a mile. It really does. Obviously, I want to compare him to the 2025 6 release, not 2025, 6 release of the Chinese McQueen, because obviously he is a Cars 1 McQueen, as we can see here. Just look how cool that is. And there is the back once again. Rusty's medicated bump ointment. Just amazing, guys. I know there is not really too much to talk about this pink McQueen today. I just wanted to do a video on it, and I wanted to release it on Friday because, I have no words, generally. If you are new to the channel, everybody, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all of that stuff. And until the next video, which will be on Sunday, peace, everybody.